Unveiling the mysteries of humpback whales. Humpback whales are gentle giants of the ocean. They're famous for their majestic songs, resonating deep beneath the waves. These whales are one of the largest species, reaching lengths of 60 feet. Despite their size, they're remarkably agile, often breaching the water surface. The humpback's distinctive body shape, with its long pectoral fins, makes them stand out. They get their name from the hump visible when they dive. Known as the ocean's troubadours, humpbacks communicate using complex songs. These melodies can travel vast distances and last for hours. Humpbacks are known for their long migrations, the longest in the mammal kingdom. They travel 5,000 miles annually, from polar feeding grounds to tropical breeding areas. Sadly, humpbacks were once nearly extinct due to overhunting. Today, through conservation efforts, their numbers are slowly increasing, a testament to their resilience. Uncover more about these fascinating creatures and join us as we delve deeper into the world of humpback whales.